Uncheck.
Right-click on the desktop, and go to View to verify if Show Desktop Icons is checked. Press Windows key plus R and type control.exe folders. In the File Explorer options, go to the View tab and scroll down until you find Hidden Files and Folders. Check the box next to show hidden files, folders and drivers, then press Apply. If your files are hidden, select all of them, then right-click on one and go to Properties. In Properties, under the General tab, uncheck the box next to Hidden, then press Apply. In the pop-up window, select Apply changes to the selected items, subfolders and files, then press OK. For Windows 10, go to the notification area and check if the computer is not set in tablet mode. If none of these helped you restore your desktop files, it is possible you are logged on a temporary user.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.